Hey guys, welcome back to Music Man's Garage. Today I have an appointment at TopLine Auto Salon to get the windows tinted on Mr. Grinch. As you can see, he's there in the background and he is waiting his turn for Alan to do his thing. He does a fantastic job, so if you're looking for window tint, make sure you give Alan a call. This is Alan, correct, the owner of TopLine Auto Salon. Can you just give me a brief description of what you did to Mr. Grinch today?
So today, this vehicle here, beautiful green color, came to us for some window tinting. We installed 15% carbon tint on this vehicle. I hope he enjoys the car.
I appreciate it, man.
Sure.
As always, this is like the 6 years I've been coming to you, and you've done all my trucks, all my cars, I think even my Jeep. And I love what you do here, and I just want to say thank you, man. I appreciate it.
Thank you for the business.